namaskar, and bonjour. This is Shilpa, and welcome to my channel and my very first vlog. I live in beautiful Canada and wanted to share a slice of my life with you all so that we can connect, we can learn, and grow together. This past weekend, I took a road trip to one of the most breathtaking places in Alberta. That's Jasper National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. To get there, I drove from Edmonton, which is where I live. I took the Yellowhead Highway, also known as Highway 16 West, and the total drive was about 370 kilometers and roughly 4-hour trip. And you know what? They say it's not about destination, it's about the journey. Trust me, you will be in awe the whole way. You will see the majestic Rocky Mountains and lush green forest and wildlife. Plus, you will be driving alongside that Baska River, which starts showing up around Obed. So I took two halts. I stopped at Addison for a quick bite at Subway. I tried their new nacho salad, which was surprisingly good, and it was just for $4. Later, I stopped at Hinton to fuel up before hitting the final stretch because the price varies. On the personal note, let me tell you, Jasper always has my heart, mostly because of the wildlife sighting on the way. This was actually my third time heading there, and every single time I have spotted mountain goats. And sometimes I have also spotted elks, deers, and even bears, especially near the Jasper sand dunes. So keep your eyes peeled and be camera ready. And please drive carefully. Harming wildlife can result in serious fines. So for more information to educate yourself about the rules and consequences, I would recommend visiting the official Tourism Jasper website. I just realized I have been talking continuously. Now let's pause for a moment and just soak in these stunning mountain views. To enter any national park in Canada, you will need a park pass. I personally have a Discovery Pass, which covers unlimited visit to national parks across all over Canada for a year. And it costs me around $150, maybe some taxes more, and it covers around 7 people in a car. Now let me show you the accommodation. I stayed at Jasper Inn and Suites for 200 CAD, some $10 or $15 up and down for a night. Actually for 1.5 days. So I had this beautiful main floor room with access to swimming pool and sauna. Yeah, not attached to the room, but yes, I could access the swimming pool and sauna. I would give you a tip here. You can book early or try weekdays. If weekend is the only option, try to book earlier because it gets seriously pricey in Jasper. One of the spot I would recommend checking out is the Jasper Indigenous exhibit, which is very next to the visitor center in Jasper. And if you'll cross the road, you will see beautiful Two Brothers Totem Bowl. For dinner, I treated myself at STU Jasper and had a pesto grilled vegetable sandwich and Caesar salad alongside. And I also tried chicken sandwich and their ginger beer. The total was around 60 CAD, which includes tip. I know it's quite pricey, but you must try this place because the food is actually very tasty. I spotted the iconic Rocky Mountaineer train, and that one with the glass domed coaches. It's so cool to see it up close in Jasper. I just feel that I'm lucky to spot it. Even on the weekend, the town was buzzing, but still it was peaceful. And this whole town has some small town charm, no doubt. But this whole space is surrounded by mountains. I think that makes it unique. Later that evening, I tried to explore Patricia Lake, but ended up being little lost in the woods. So I headed back to the hotel. On the way, I caught a stunning top view of entire town, but for the obvious reason, I couldn't stop. And just like that, my half day in Jasper wrapped up. Can't wait to share day 2 with you in my next vlog. So stay tuned and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. This is what YouTubers say, but I'm learning. And if you have anything to say, you can comment and I would love to read it.